This is the national station broadcasting this evening's news. Remarkable story from Country Village. The police and doctors are investigating an astonishing story told this afternoon by the people of the village of Iping. It appears that a mysterious disease has broken out, infecting a large number of the inhabitants. It takes the form of a delusion that an invisible man is living among them. Several people have been seriously injured, probably through fighting among themselves and their belief that their opponent is an invisible man. The whole village is in a state of panic, and everyone...
And everyone deserves the fate that's coming to them. Panic, death, things worse than death. Don't be afraid, Kemp. It's me, Griffin. Jack Griffin. How are you, my friend? I'm frozen with cold. Dead tired. Thank God for a fire. Sit down, you fool, and let's have a decent fire. You hear me? Sit down, unless you want me to knock your brains out. Sit down! I want you to listen carefully, Kemp. I've been through hell today. I want food and sleep. But before we sleep, there's work to do. May I have a cigarette? You always were a dirty little card, Kemp. You're frightened out of your wits, aren't you? Oh, it's no good talking like this. Have you got a good long surgical bandage? Good. And a pair of dark glasses? Right. Go and get them at once. And let me have a dressing gown and pajamas and a pair of gloves. You'll feel better if you can see me, won't you? Come on. We've no time to waste.
You'll find some pajamas in that room. Here are the gloves and bandages. I'll bring you the glasses.
Thank you. Don't be long. Put them on the table. Now go down and draw the blinds in your sitting room. Are we alone in the house?
Yes.
Good. All right, go now. If you raise a finger against me, you're a dead man. I'm strong, and I'll strangle you. Understand? Wait for me downstairs. The sitting room, I said, Kemp. And if you try and escape by the window, I shall follow you. And no one in the world can save you.